Hello everyone and welcome back to Smart Gadgets. Amazfit comes with new GTS 3 and GTR 3 models. Today we are going to unbox the brand new Amazfit GTS 3. Also on the next days we will unbox an Amazfit GTR 3. In today's video we will show you everything you need to know about the Amazfit GTS 3. What's new about it. Also comes with brand new Zepp OS, which you know have a lot of more new feature in the watch, so we will going through each and every feature. In the next video we'll see how to connect it with Android and iOS, which app does it use, and what option do we have in these apps. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and share with your guys. So let's begin here immediately. The new Amazfit GTS 3. We will see what we have in the box, design, what materials is made of, and also in the last video we will run some tests and see if this watch is worth to buy. Amazfit GTS 3 comes with aluminum body with different colors. It looks super sleek and just 8.8mm watch body and weighs only 24.4 g, while the ocean-like curved glass screen. The elegant rotatable crown enables you to deftly navigate your watch. You can choose between graphite black, ivory white and terra rosa color. All of that comes with antibacterial silicone strap that make the body high in hardness, look elegant, and it is scratch resistance, and the strap is durable and very comfortable. It has Ultra HD AMOLED display that has 341 ppi, and with 1.7-inch display, which has increased by 14% compared with the previous generation, and boasts a 72.4% screen-to-body ratio that is among the highest in the smartwatch industry. The display goes all the way up to 1000 nits of brightness. That means it gets really bright outdoors, so that's also a good thing. Battery life 6 heavy usage to 12 days with typical usage. Also we can use up to 20 days with battery saver mode, while if we use GPS the battery can last up to 20 hours. As you can see in the box we have the watch, charging cable, and user manual. The device is water resistant up to 5 atm, so you will be able to take it for a swim. There is no speaker, but you do get a mic that can be used for voice commands for the built-in voice assistant or Amazon's Alexa. The bottom of the case is made of plastic and has the sensors for heart rate and SpO2 tracking and magnetic charging base. Amazfit has upgraded to a new software platform called Zepp OS. This is a custom operating system and communicates with the Zepp app on an Android or iOS smartphone. Let's take a look at the operating system and what is new. So let us start by swiping down from the top. Notice that we do have quite a fair bit of shortcuts over here, starting off with a flashlight. We have a do not disturb, we have theater mode, tips, your calendar. We also have your battery percentage, adjusting the brightness, locating a smartphone, and of course this quick button to enter into the settings menu. So that's what we have get with that swipe down quick shortcut menu. Now if we drag up from the bottom right here, this is where we get into our notification. We don't have any notification right now. The shortcut card section is a customizable list of apps that show relevant information and actions. We could interact with these, for example to take a quick heart rate reading, blood oxygen, stress, or glance through a weather forecast, daily activity reports, sleep report, etc. A tap on each one will open its respective app. The quick access apps, or widgets, on the other hand, relay information from the built-in apps in a visually appealing way. Also, we can add or remove widgets or customize lists as we want. Indeed, both these sections showing the same information in different ways, so choosing which way to go from the watch face is mainly about how you like to view such information. In the main menu we have PIA report, heart rate, blood oxygen, one tap measuring. On workout we have all sport as outdoor running, walking, treadmill, outdoor cycling, indoor cycling, pool swimming, climbing, etc. The watch has over 150 sport mode to suit your choice of activity. The watch can track metrics like heart rate, calories burned, and more. Next we have workout history, workout status, stress test. In activity we can see all activity report. Next we have sleep report, weather forecast, music control, we can set some alarms. Also we have calendar, calculator. So to more button we have some other app like sun and moon, compass, barometer, cycle tracking, breath, stopwatch, countdown, find my phone, world clock, to do, Pomodoro timer and camera remote. Let's go back and we will see some setting option. We have here watch face and time. Here we can change watch face, time and data format. Also you can change watch faces if you press and hold on watch screen for 5 seconds, and you can choose which one you want. On the display setting we have brightness, screen on, duration time, always on. You can choose any themes. Next we can costumes vibration mode. To workout option we can costumes workout detection option, GPS setting, a GPS expired switching. Next we have performance. Here we can costumes DND, off, wrist lock, long press site button, command, app list, widget, Alexa language, watch language, etc. And in the end we have system. Here we have some system option like restart watch, shut down and factory reset. Now we will try heart rate, blood oxygen and stress test and see the result. As you can see is measuring, and we have the first results, very fast result, and we have some statistic in the watch, which is a very good thing. These data will be saved, and we can see in the app for us later to check all what we did from the session, and also we have the whole day heart rate which we can check out at the end of the day. So let's see. When you receive any notification or phone call, you will receive notification in watch. You can read messages or apps like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, etc. In the next video we'll see how to connect it with Android and iOS, which app does it use, and what option do we have in these apps, so stay tuned for that. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see the next video with another smart device.